Here's how to make a non-toxic oven cleaner that's a lot safer than chemical cleaners and a lot faster than using a self-cleaning oven. About a week ago, I took the peel from 2 oranges, put them in a jar, and filled it with white vinegar. Then I took it and poured it into a plant mister. But before spraying it onto the oven, I'm going to sprinkle on some baking soda. The baking soda will really help cut through the caked on mess we have here. I'll put a little on the door too, see how it works on glass. And now I'm going to spray it on. Spray on the vinegar solution. What you'll see is as you soak this vinegar, the baking soda will start bubbling up. Now we're going to let this work on that stain for about 20 minutes, then we'll come back and wipe it off. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's scrub it off and see how it works. Here on the inside of the oven, you see some of that gunk is coming right up. It's amazing. All right, now rinse it off. Let me try the glass door too, see how that worked. Now on the door, wow, look at that, worked really well on the glass door. You can see compared to what it used to look like. So there you go. Very effective cleaner and no noxious fumes.